Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to request a replacement Bluevine debit card. If you're looking to order a new debit card, if your Bluevine card is damaged or isn't working properly, well, here is the tutorial to help you do that. Step 1, log into your Bluevine dashboard on the website or mobile app. Step 2, from the main menu, you're going to select Settings and then tap Debit Card. Next, on the card options, you want to choose Request Replacement Card. Next is to select the reason for replacement. Now, this option typically includes damaged cards or card not received, or could just be card not working or something. Next is to confirm your mailing address. Update it in case you've moved to a new location so that the card is sent to the correct location. Next step is to submit your request. Bluevine will process your order and ship the replacement card within 7 to 10 business days. And the final step, once your new card arrives, log back into Bluevine, go to Debit Card, and then tap Activate Card, and just follow the prompts to set your new PIN. Your replacement card is now ready for use. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.